Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to extract images from PDF file using AI. Here you can go and type ChatGPT. After that, you can upload the file here. So let me show you, this is a PDF file and here I have some images that I want to get from this file. So let's see how you can easily get these images. Just we need to upload this file. And now file is uploading. Here you can type extract all the images from this PDF file and create a download link to download all images. After that, press enter and now it will check this file and extract all of the images. So just you can get these images within a single click. And here you can see the file is downloaded. So let's go and extract this file. And now here you can see we got all the images within a single click.